Welcome. Have you ever felt a deep desire to connect with a more profound sense of well-being, not just for yourself, but for those around you too? Karen Frazier's Complete Reiki offers a beautiful and accessible journey into the world of energy healing, a practice that can truly transform your life. This isn't just about learning techniques. It's about unlocking a powerful pathway to personal and spiritual growth. Imagine cultivating a deeper awareness, finding a greater sense of mindfulness, and achieving a more profound inner balance. Complete Reiki guides you step by step, showing you how to connect with universal energy, sharpen your intuition, and truly feel the flow of healing energy. The book is packed with practical wisdom, offering clear instructions on everything from essential hand positions and self-healing, routines to the art of distance healing, and even how to work with clients professionally. You'll find guidance on navigating common questions and ethical considerations, ensuring your practice is both effective and deeply respectful. The benefits of Reiki are truly holistic. It's a gentle yet powerful way to reduce stress, support your body's natural recovery processes, build emotional resilience, and foster a deeper spiritual connection. Whether you're just beginning to explore energy healing or you're looking to deepen your existing practice, this book provides a complete roadmap to becoming proficient and confident. Ultimately, Complete Reiki is about empowering you. It's about giving you the tools and confidence to harness energy for healing, for your own personal growth, and for your spiritual development. It inspires you to practice Reiki safely, effectively, and mindfully, enriching both your personal life and potentially your professional path. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this glimpse into Complete Reiki has sparked your curiosity. If you found this helpful, please consider following for more insights.